it's the birds, and it's our second episode of
3 Little Birds Flip the Nest.
I'm Eva. I'm Annie.
And I'm Sophia.
In today's episode, we're gonna check out an ugly bi-level and make a plan of attack to try and make it beautiful again. We're 3 sisters,
And we're working together
to take an ugly home and make it beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna flip the nest. Make sure to hit the like button and smash the subscribe.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.
Thanks for watching.
The walls are the sides. The only thing that's bothering.
There is our beauty, right? It's not that bad?
As bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
I do have to say that I thought it was gonna be like a lot worse.
It's just the walls that I have problems with.
Yeah,
I have like
same.
big
The walls,
problems.
what do you mean by the walls?
Like,
The sides, it doesn't look
like
nice.
the color
No one would
isn't
buy this.
one brown.
Do you know what the brown? Okay, let's talk about what is the brown called?
Wood.
Cedar. Cedar is a type of wood. It's a wood siding that's very poorly maintained and very distressed, right? So that's what you don't like about it. But the brick underneath it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's in good shape.
That's pretty good.
I mean, I kind of don't like how there's a smaller thing on the bottom than taller on the
Yeah,
top.
I don't like that either.
A smaller
Like
on
how-
the bottom.
Like,
Like,
how, like
It's small.
it's smaller on the bottom.
so that's part of the form of a bi-level. We're not going to change that.
Oh,
That's what it is. It is what it is. Okay.
Is it gonna be like one of those places where on the outside it looks really bad, and then on the inside it's like, wow.
Okay.
Well, let's find out. It's a good question. Let's find out. All right, we're gonna go in.
So we are at the house. First, you just see like, I don't like how like it's the wood or not the wood, the paint is like peeling off.
Yeah, we should cover that.
Yeah, we should. Let's go up first.
Let's go up.
Up the steps, a few photos, and I guess a really like, I don't know what you call it, but I like it. And then into the kitchen.
Kitchen is not okay.
The best, let's say.
I mean, the wallpaper isn't that bad, but like, look at that.
That's the wallpaper.
Guys, come into the laundry
Look at
room.
that.
I'm not a fan of the wallpaper.
Not the best.
Also, what on earth is this right here?
Yeah.
Look at this. Ready? There's a pencil.
There's a
sharpener.
pencil sharpener.
Where?
Right here.
Oh! Good to know. I do like this thing though.
Okay.
See,
Like,
Okay, guys, come into the laundry
oh
room.
my god, it's ugly.
It needs fixing.
we're definitely repaying this.
Open the door.
I mean,
Is this rope here?
I think that's for clothes. It's for clothes.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. This is actually
Oh,
really
this is pretty cute. No, except for that. But like,
Wait, what did you guys not want? Oh.
they have like little things here.
I like the tile.
For
The
like
tile's
toothbrushes.
nice.
Yeah, the tile's really nice, and it goes
The
with
tile is nice. Look at this tile. Oh my god, it's really nice.
bathroom
Here.
looks pretty good.
Oh, whoa. What the frick? Wait. You guys go on the other side. Wait, time out, guys. Heya!
Okay, come on, Eva. Okay, first bedroom.
So first bedroom, or
Great.
gas.
The lights don't work.
On here.
Lights
I
are
mean,
on. Can you turn your
I
flash
like
on?
what they did with the aesthetic.
Aesthetic? Those wallpaper.
wallpaper
They're
choices.
wallpaper. I lied. Sorry.
Who has this
What's
bedroom?
this green?
A decent size.
I don't want this bedroom. Not it.
For
Not
decorate?
it.
I can
And both
take it.
first you have to get all this stuff
And there's
out
a
of
really like weird sized window.
I mean, it actually.
Horrendous. The
Horrendous.
carpet.
So, I mean, it's clean.
It
Do
needs-
you think we could keep it?
Yeah. Well, kind of.
Well,
It's
we
like,
have to find something that'll match with it.
It has a
Yeah, this is
It has-
something I want. I want my room. I want the
Sophie,
room
can you-
I'm making to look like this. Flowers.
it has
Oh, there's a little flower.
over here.
It's weird, and that's coming from me because I'm the weird person.
So, listen, are we moving in here?
No.
We're designing this room to appeal to who? Who's our target audience?
People's.
What kind of people?
Kids
Parents and kids.
Parents and kids, probably. That's probably a good guess.
Here's the
Who's
bathroom.
going to get the biggest bedroom with a bathroom attached to it?
You.
Parents.
The parents, right? The parents. Do you think the parents want nature and flowers? Nowadays, probably not, right? So it actually is very clean and in excellent shape, but we're probably going to pull it all out.
Yeah.
Get rid of it.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is, look, it does have hardwood floors underneath.
I know.
They're beautiful.
Yay!
So
Did
that
you
is
just pull
awesome.
that off?
Well, we can nail that back in. It's not a big deal.
Oh well.
On to the
If
next.
we have enough room in the budget, I think we might want to switch the wall colors.
We're gonna paint everything.
Thank
all
you.
the colors.
So we're
go.
taking the wallpaper off the kitchen
all the
too.
wallpaper.
Thank you.
goes, Yes.
Okay,
The wallpaper
this room,
is so
I
bad.
call this
All the
room.
wallpaper goes.
I call
Okay.
Hey, let's start here. So look at the master bathroom.
Master.
Bathroom. Okay. So obviously all this wallpaper goes,
That
right?
wallpaper is.
We'll get rid of this light fixture and put a cool one in here.
Yes.
But this is pretty clean
This
and
thing
okay,
is pretty
right?
decent. Let's see.
Do you think if we got rid of all this crazy wall stuff, if we could live with this floor? Do you
Yeah,
think we
I
could work
really
it?
like
Yeah,
this
I
one.
really
like
love
it.
this
I
tile.
kind of think we could work it.
Yeah, I think we could do.
So I say we go with it. All right, so this is an easy room. We're popped out. Windows are replaced. That part looks good, right? Hey, we noticed we got nice windows in here.
Yes.
Mom, you can do this room because you
So
know
this
what
floor
Mom's
goes. Okay, all right. I know what mom's like.
like. No, you and Sophie can do that room.
No.
We need to get our own room.
No, I don't want to do my own.
Dude, how about green carpet? It's also clean. What do you think?
No.
Gotta go, right?
Bye-bye.
Gotta go.
Is this hardwood too? I think it is.
Let's find out. So we want to look in the corners typically. Oftentimes in the closet. My guess is it is hardwood. Yeah, hang on. This is where if we had our handy dandy tool belts on us, this would be easier to do.
Oh my.
No, it's not hardwood.
Well, why do you say that?
Sorry, it is hardwood.
It
Sure
is.
is. So we'll get rid of the
Shocker.
carpet.
Yeah.
What beautiful
We
hardwood.
could do
A
that,
little
and we could. Me and Eva could do that. Get hardwood on it, and like get like a rug, maybe not like carpet, but like a mini
You just want
rug.
to put a rug in here. Okay.
And it has this
We'll
window
have to clean all of our doors.
and
But are we
this
gonna be
window.
able to just live with these colored doors?
No.
I kind of like the. Oh,
They have. It has a.
So I think this is one of those
pirate
things in the
sticker.
budget that's like, if we have money left over, we could change it, but I don't think we need to.
Yeah,
But it has a pirate sticker.
What are you guys thinking about this floor in here?
It's
it's weird.
iffy.
It is weird, isn't it?
I feel like this would be outside, not inside.
But this is, what is this?
Very
Laundry
bad.
room. Laundry room.
Ugly.
That's what it is.
It is an ugly laundry room, but it's pretty cool because it's here on the second floor, or the upstairs floor, so it makes it really easy to do laundry. So moms and stuff are gonna think this is awesome.
I don't really like
It's
the
just
floor.
that-
and it's ripping.
Yeah, it's like-
just like
And the
So,
colors.
so we need to paint it.
Yeah.
We need to give it a new floor. We need to get rid of these because nobody hangs their laundry anymore.
Not anymore. No.
Okay, utility tub.
Oh, and
Yep,
you need
that
to
needs
get
be
rid of
clean.
this wood. You need to get rid of the wood
Yeah.
too.
Okay. We got to haul off this washer and dryer. These are archaic and they can just go. So we'll have to figure this whole setup out.
Oh my gosh,
But we'll
you're
have
so old.
What we'll do is we'll
And
measure
this.
the laundry room
And
and the door, and we'll figure out the smartest
Are they
way.
gonna clean this out?
I don't know. If not, guess who gets to clean it out?
Annie.
You. Here we are. We've got this big, huge open living room and this hallway. We don't
need
like
a
the
couch.
flooring, and we've got a kitchen. We're not furnishing the house. We're not going to live here.
Very bad.
So we can put in, right, vinyl plank flooring. That's probably a good option for this. So you can cover all this. Bring it into here. Cover all this. Cover all this. Look at this. We need a light fixture in here.
Yeah.
Missing, right?
I liked this a lot, Mom. I was wondering if we could keep this,
Yeah.
but like change all the photos and stuff.
I kind of was thinking we'd take the whole wall out.
Yeah.
Oh,
The whole wall goes. And then come into the kitchen.
Ew.
This oven is crazy.
Is it crazy?
It's crazy old.
Why? It is crazy. Oh, look, it looks immaculate.
It
I bet it works.
Push it in.
Well, so I don't know, but we need to pull it
Oh,
out.
you probably have to
There's
like.
probably like, yeah. So then we can cook, and then when we're done cooking, hold on.
I'll let you.
It's as far as it goes, I think.
It goes further. It's got like stuff or something.
Hey, Mom, I have a question.
Whoa! Broski! We put it back
Look
in.
at how clean that is. I don't think they ever
Oh
cooked in here.
my god, that's so cool.
Wait, no, and then I'm gonna do it.
I mean,
I kind of want to keep it.
I kind of like it too.
Wait, what about this? What if they don't know how to do this?
It looks really
like
old.
dials.
Like all of this looks really old, but like with this part looks
This
really
looks like
new.
new tech.
It looks
Yeah, it
brand new. It
does.
looks like nobody's ever used it.
Yeah, it's pretty
Hey,
cool.
Mom, I was wondering, let's just say, we take out this entire wall, right? What if we keep like this thing right here?
Or we could put it-
in
it
one
somewhere else.
piece and like put it almost as like an island, or it's not really an island, but like.
Or we could put it
So
in a
I agree. I
room.
think this whole wall needs to go.
But we can keep that.
And I think we need to cut out part of this wall so you can see through. And you put a high counter bar.
Uh-huh.
And then you would put like an island here with a low counter bar. And that'll give you a lot more counter space and prep space.
Mom,
I like the
they
marble
did.
on here.
They did
Yeah.
wallpaper on the door again.
It's just
They
the
did,
wall.
they
Sure
did.
did.
Oh, this marble is
So
nice.
that's actually Formica. That looks like marble. I'm glad you guys are
Never mind, it's for
impressed by it. But
Don't touch. Can I touch it?
no, don't
touch.
I probably wouldn't.
If it
What?
says don't touch it.
So look at these cabinets. Here's my question to you.
They're
These
not bad.
cabinets are immaculate.
They look
I
really
like
nice.
They look
them.
like
They
they've
look
never
really
been
nice.
used in all these years, and they're kind of a dark color, but I feel like if we do all the paint and the countertops and everything else correctly, we could probably live with them.
Yeah, I
And
like them.
save a ton of money.
Yeah, I like them.
Your guys are good with that?
Yeah.
So my thought is for the kitchen, we'll replace the countertops, we'll put in some granite.
Yeah.
We'll replace all the appliances, so we'll put in some stainless.
Even this?
Get rid
Oh
of-
my, this
I
fridge
know,
is very.
it's super cool.
The
but
fridge
it
This
is
is
not
very
bad.
nice.
I know. We might move it down. It is.
Smells bad.
We
Pretty
could
nice.
we could put that in our cabana.
Technically, it's ours.
The wallpaper
Not yet,
is
next week.
going bye-bye in that closet.
Yeah, definitely.
Put a dishwasher in here somewhere.
Somewhere.
Which possibly we could put a dishwasher into the island, or we could just
Yeah.
move the when this guy goes, we could stick the dish. Actually, that's what we'll do. We'll put the dishwasher right here, and then somehow we'll put the oven into the cooktop.
If the island was over here, then like seats, and then it's like kind of like hibachi.
So seats got to be out there.
Yeah, it's like kind of like hibachi where it has like the oven, like
That's a
they
fire
watch
hazard,
you
Eva.
make
That's
it.
why there's a fire extinguisher right there.
Exactly, fire
Yeah.
extinguisher.
It's gonna be kind of like our house, you know, where the sink and stuff is out by the window, but in here, you know, how we have the microwave and the oven.
Yeah.
So that's what we'll have. We'll just have a cooktop on top, and then we'll have an elevated bar. Okay.
I mean, overall, it's not a bad house.
Why does this person have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 of
Drains.
5 drains.
Alright, I'm gonna head down
Here.
to the basement.
No, I don't want to.
Guys, we're going down to the basement. Mom, this is
Oh, I love this wood.
Like,
Do you like the wood paneling?
Yeah, you don't?
I like these walls.
yeah,
See?
I
Walls.
Okay.
You don't like it?
I mean, they used to be like that 70s show, but you know, everything comes around. So look, this is all, do you know why the walls are look like this?
Water.
Because it's
Water.
Nicotine. And yes, there is some sort of something.
Nicotine, like smoking.
The smokers, that's all that yellow. Bleh. And then there's something going on with all that. So we'll get all that stuff
Can you
figured
get
out.
the vent?
I don't like this flooring.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Carpet.
all goes.
Ew.
This all goes.
Disgusting.
The back blocks are all fine here.
Oh, that's disgusting. Oh my.
Because we live in the scary parts where the killers live.
No, it's super nice. Go into that's a storage area. But this is where our big expensive items lie. Go in here.
What's up there? Okay.
Oh.
Okay, good.
Oh.
So this is just our storage area.
Some
Okay. Very weird. Why do they use doors?
What the heck? Wait, are those doors? Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
those are doors.
They are doors.
Guess they were durable. They did.
Wait, where?
So look, so we've got a stab lock panel. So this is a bad panel. It's you know,
old. Not
it
really
is
works.
old. It's also not reliable, and evidently it's affiliated with a lot of fire starters. So we're gonna get rid of this. This is expensive. It's gonna cost us good money. And then there's some aluminum wiring in here. So we're gonna have Rodney come over and figure out what we need to do about that.
Well, we need to call Mike to help as well.
We will need to call Mike to help as well. Yeah,
Who's Mike?
you know Big Mike.
Yeah, Big Mike.
Oh
He
yeah.
helped with,
I know that dude.
All right, what's in here?
What is in there?
Garage.
Ah, Jesus Christ! See this? No, this is where the killer will live. Okay, my back.
Oh my god.
It's Harry Potter.
No, it's not.
It is. That's the room under the stairs.
Mom, you go in first.
It's just the room under stairs.
Yeah, but there's also a spot sideways. You go first.
There's a killer in there.
No, there's not.
Die killer.
All right, hey, come on, keep moving.
Yeah,
I'm hungry and tired.
Somewhere.
Let's keep.
We
moving.
should go out to eat. We should go to Chipotle.
No, we're going home.
I don't know.
We're going to Shea Mommy.
No.
Yes, we're going to Shea Mommy. Just stop. Just please, just turn the hand doorknob.
Said pull the pin.
Just.
Oh, never mind. We're idiots.
It doesn't turn on.
No, it's.
Oh, Annie.
It was like it's.
Okay, I'm not gonna go in there.
You know, that's just the garage. You don't have to do that.
All right, so I think we're good, right? I think we have an idea of what we need to do. Uh-oh.
What?
Where did I put the key to the house?
Oh my gosh.
Right?
I know. These are the keys to the car. This is my phone.
Keys to the house.
Yeah.
Right. The key. So we're trying to retrace our steps, and we're back in the basement because that's where our mom started first, even though we went upstairs. We found the keys.
I know you.
Yeah, and there actually is gnomes. Yeah, well, Annie found them. But there is cute little gnomes.
Alright partners, we have checked out our ugly buy level. Now it's time to sit down and come up with our plan of attack.